Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you find a day. Welcome to the first infotainment talk of our channel today. In the first talk we will discuss a topic that what is the role of traveling ticket examiners in Indian Railways. Indian Railways, the world's third largest railway network, carries more than 3 million passengers a day. More than 15,000 trains run in Indian Railways every day. Indian Railways appoints ticket examiners on platforms and in trains to check the tickets of railway passengers. So let's see what is the work of these ticket examiners. There are many tasks besides ticket checking, mainly by ticket inspectors. The duties of a ticket inspector are as follows. Make sure no one else is traveling in the seat reserved for women and the sleeper coach. TTEs are required to report for duty half an hour before the scheduled departure of the train. The ticket inspector must have his/her railway identity card, badge, proper uniform. It is the duty of the TTE to allot berth seats, which are vacant, to passengers at intermediate stations on realization of fare surcharge as per rules on first-come first-served basis or according to the priority on the waiting list if such a list is kept at the station. Make sure no one else is traveling in the seat reserved for women and the disabled. He shall pay prompt attention to all complaints from passengers in regard to non-working of fans, lights, lamps, etc. and take necessary remedial action to get them rectified. Take care of that no other unauthorized passenger travels in an air-conditioned coach. If any person is found traveling without a ticket, the appropriate surcharge penalty should be recovered from him or the person should be charged under Indian Railways Section 137(1) B of the Railway Act 1989. A passenger traveling without a ticket can be fined up to 1,000 rupees or imprisoned for up to 6 months or both. However, usually TTE charges a fine of 250 rupees along with the cost of fixed distance ticket from such a passenger. If they refuse to pay the fine, they are handed over to the Railway Security Force, RPF. The RPF is later produced before the railway magistrate and once again asked to pay the fine. If this time too the passenger refuses to pay the fine or is unable to do so, he can be imprisoned for up to 6 months as punishment. The TTEs carry blank fur forms for making them available to the passengers in case of any incident of theft of luggage, etc. Such forms duly filled in be handed over to the next GRP post at the scheduled stoppage for further action in the matter. Hope you like the video. Please like, comment and share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for never miss any video.